All right, guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Bluetooth headphones, such as your Apple.
All right, cut. What the hell is this? Act 1, take 2, go.
Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Apple Airpods or any of your Bluetooth headphones to listen to virtually anything that you want. Xbox, for example, anything through your TV. I've tried many different solutions and I found that this one is the best. It's the Aluratek Bluetooth Universal Audio Receiver and Transmitter. You can Bluetooth enable your TV speakers. It supports aux and RCA, so that's very convenient. What's nice is it actually supports two Bluetooth headphones to be paired at the same time. So you can stream to both devices simultaneously up to 15 hours on a full charge utilizing the built-in lithium-ion battery. Features low latency Bluetooth V4 technology, which eliminates audio delay so you can experience rich sound clarity and perfect sync with any video, movie, or gaming. So here's a couple of diagrams of how it works with a range of 33 feet. The biggest thing here is that it has the Bluetooth 4.0. There is 4.1, which is supposedly even better. But I mean, for the price of 29 bucks, you can listen to anything you want via your Bluetooth headphones. And we're gonna be showing you how to do that. The coolest part is you actually compare two Bluetooth headphones to this. So you and your partner can listen and be able to enjoy it quietly without bothering other people. So you can switch between transmitting or receiving, so that's huge. So you can transmit to something like your Bluetooth headphones, or you can receive Bluetooth and then convert your car stereo to, maybe you have an older car stereo, you can convert your car stereo to Bluetooth capability. When you open it up, you got your standard packaging, that's trash. It has a quick start guide. You got your pairing, power on, mode switch, TX and RX. So this is all it is. I mean, that's as simple as it can get. You can imagine how convenient this can be. All right, so we're gonna want it to be in TX for transmission or transmit. And we're gonna try to turn it on real quick. And it's on. So here we have my Apple Airpods. And you can always sync it to non-Apple devices by clicking this. All right, so now it's syncing and it's synced up. So now we're gonna try it with something. So just for the sake of simplicity and just to show you that it works, I know that the iPhone has Bluetooth, but I don't have many devices aside from TVs and Xbox that don't have Bluetooth on them. So we're going to plug this into here, plug into here. To be clear, AirPod is not connected right now. And it's working. Right? Pretty sweet. Very low profile. Now that's not much considering I just showed you it on a phone. Now let's show you how to actually do it on a TV for all of your inputs. Blu-ray, Wii, PlayStation 4, Xbox, etc. I mean, this isn't anything. Most of your TVs are probably going to need a digital to analog converter from Radio Shack, which I'll provide a link below how to get these. They're fairly cheap. I've had mine for quite a while. I just got this, and this is going to be the power couple to be able to make this happen. So this supports coax and optical. I'll show you optical in a second. Coax is this guy right here. You'll know that you have coax on the back of your TV. It's not the cable coax like for your cable box. This is a different type of coax for audio. You would plug this into here, right? You would switch it to coax and you would put it to whatever coax output you have on the back of your TV or your device. A lot of satellite boxes have it, Blu-ray players have it, and a bunch of other different devices where you could use this. The alternative, which we're going to be using, is optical, which a lot of new TVs have, right? So let's go try this out. All right, so we're going to use our handy dandy to try this out. All right, so what you want to do here is you want to take the optical cable, plug it into the back of your TV, which I already have, and then you take your optical cable, which looks like this, and you plug it into here.
But you're not going to change anything on it.
And then you put it into optical mode.
Right?
I am. And then you go ahead and power it on. This can all be discreetly set behind your TV. I just don't have it behind the TV right now, just for display purposes. So now we're going to take our short cable and this guy right here, and we're gonna plug it in. So we have our receiver in transmit mode. You can change the volume right here, and then you have your RCAs that you plug into the back of here. All right, now it's live. Sweet. I got Apple AirPods right there. When I press play, it's not gonna work right away because I have to do a change on the TV. We're gonna take our remote. This is an LG. And we're going to go to our settings. I have one in my ear and I'm holding one right here so you can hear it switch. You can change it in a couple different locations. You can go to sound, and then you would go to audio out, optical, HDMI ARC. For this, you have to switch it to PCM.
Okay, that's a lot better than we usually do. So let's... Leroy Jenkins! Oh my God, he just ran in. Let's go. Stick to the plan. Let's go. Let's go.
All right.
Oh man. Oh, we're dying. Damn it, Cleveland. Where'd they get dragging? These guys have magic, guys. Good move.
Okay. I got it working on both. Pretty awesome. I don't know if you can hear that. All right, let me show my wife. Saj, check this out.
Wow. How'd you do that?
You'll just have to watch the YouTube video.
Babe. Where'd you put the show back on?
You don't have to be rude.
You don't have to. We're watching something.
Hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. Bye now.